Senorita, I've sort of worked it out like this, that piano part. The bass does something different. I think maybe the bass go... maybe, not quite sure. Bass is weird anyway, it just kind of hangs around E flat while we're going. I used to do it like that. If you've got a more accurate version of it, then obviously do that. Then the bridge, because sometimes the singers aren't always used to it being so unlike the original, because obviously we have to do our best with just guitar, bass and drums, DI'd straight into a PA. So lead in this bit for them, the bridge. And a good strong lead out of that as well. Yeah, so I was going...